From touchscreens to card readers, one of the most common high-touch items forgotten in a cleaning routine is one that we use every day: electronics. State Industrial has developed the perfect solution to ensure your electronics are never overlooked: State Electronics Cleaner RTU. This ready-to-use solution is a fast-acting product that you can use to clean electronics around your facility. To use this cleaner, either spray it onto a clean cloth before wiping down any electronics, or pair it with our State Custom Wipes to give you an easy-to-use cleaning tool. The custom wipes allow you to create your own on-demand wipe when and where you need them. This is the perfect solution for our digital world, making it effective when used on computers, phones, keyboards, kiosks, controllers, and more. Ensure all of your electronics are taken care of, as well as the staff, guests, and customers who use them, by adding this simple step to your daily cleaning routine: State Electronics Cleaner RTU. Another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.